Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not, welcome back. So today I have 2 days worth of content, two different days rather. And I'm starting off here with a grocery haul that I did. We went to Sam's Club and I had some stuff that I had to purchase for the house. And then I'm going to do put up my groceries, and then I'm going to, you'll see me do some cleaning for a different day. So if that is something that you're interested in, then make sure you keep on watching. I didn't want to get rid of my content, so I just decided to use it. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and get started. I have 2 sets of these small Cokes. My husband already opened them, but they're the small ones like this. And we bought 2 packs. I got some Pam. I like to use this when I'm like frying an egg or making a sandwich or something. I got some extra virgin, well, it's 100% pure olive oil. I like to use this when I'm trying to saute or something like that. I also purchased these honey buns. We got some little bites. I got this particular bread because I like honey wheat bread. I was able to pick up some mixed cherry fruit. My son likes this for, with his lunch. I got this fully cooked original bacon. My son loves these, especially for breakfast time. He is able to just put it in the microwave for 30 seconds and get him some bacon for breakfast. I bought the 2 packs of Italian sausage. I like to mix this in when I'm making like spaghetti or lasagna or something like that. I got some Jiffy mix. And of course, you just like cornbread. That's the only type of cornbread my family likes. I got some creamy peanut butter. It was just cheaper to get the 2 pack at Sam's Club because we go through so much peanut butter. I got this Goodies extra strength powder. I am big on taking Goodie powder. I will slop up 2 of these in a heartbeat. And so this was my first time seeing a pack like this in Sam's Club. So I went on ahead and got this pack because they're like $6 or $7 for I think like maybe 50 or 60. And I was able to get this. This has 24 packets of 24 I guess packets, and they have 6 packs each in each packet. So I thought this was a good deal for me. Then I have 8 cans of Carnation milk. I told you guys I'm starting to early so that when Thanksgiving and Christmas come, I'm not trying to figure out to get my stuff, so I'm just getting stuff slowly but surely. And these are things that I also can use throughout the year anyway. So the Carnation milk I use when I'm making my mac and cheese and other things that you need milk for. So I also got some vitamin water. My son likes he will drink flavored water, so I wanted to try him on this vitamin water to see if he'll like it. I don't think he'll have a problem drinking it, so we're gonna try him on this. He is a big what is this, honey, he's big on graham crackers. He will eat a whole pack of them in 2 days. So we went on ahead and got the 4 boxes in one, so he can have these for snack. This is what he takes to school. So we got a 24 pack. The Sam's Club that we went to, they didn't have much. We normally get like 2 things of Powerade or Gatorade, the smaller bottles, and we started getting him one of these for work. I'm sorry, for school. So, but they didn't have a lot, so that's why I ended up getting this water. And then also for snack, I was able to get this Lay's box of chips. This is the only box of chips that my family will eat the entire box, and we won't have like some Fritos laying around or some kind of Sun Chips laying around that nobody likes. This is the only box I've found that every chip bag will be eaten. So I got this one. You guys know from a couple of my videos, I like to season my food. So I I am trying out this Kinder's red garlic, crushed pepper, jalapeno, and garlic seasoning. There is another seasoning that they have, the Butcher's all-purpose seasoning. I tried this and I really love it on my food, so I wanted to go ahead and give this one a try. And I'm running low on this one, so I went on and picked up another one. I love these Italian spaghetti seasoning. Now, I use this in other stuff besides my spaghetti, but I was running low on this seasoning, so I went on and picked up another one. I love the kickin' chicken seasoning, so I went and picked up another one. It's not spicy. I know it says kickin' chicken. It's not like hot or spicy or anything, but the flavor from this seasoning is really good, so I went on ahead and picked up another one. I also picked up another one of the roasted garlic and herb seasonings. This is another one of my go-to seasonings that I love on, and I season a lot of my food with it, and it's really good and it's so flavorful. And so I picked up another one of these. This is called Mexican vanilla flavoring. I picked up 2 big bottles of this. My mom is a huge baker, and it's coming up on the time of the year where she will be doing a lot of baking. So I got her some vanilla flavoring, and I bought her some flavoring like this when I went to Mexico with my husband, and it was a hit for her, especially with her cakes. So I just went on ahead and picked up her another bottle of it, and like I said, I got 2 bottles. I'm not a baker, but I do use vanilla flavoring. I do make like sweet potato pies. I can also I can put together a peach cobbler or something like that. So me personally, I will get a little bit of it, but she's a big baker, so I went on ahead and got these bottles for her. I also got my son these Flintstone gummies complete. I was comparing these to the Ollie gummies. The Ollie gummies were $19 and these are $14. And the Ollie gummies didn't come close to the ingredients on the Flintstone gummies. So I went with what we've all known for years, and I went on ahead and just kept the Flintstone gummies for my son to take. I am not a huge sleeper. I do not sleep well unless I take sleeping pills. So I take sleeping pills daily to go to sleep. And so I normally get my pills off of Home Shopping Network or hsn.com. And instead of going to hsn.com this time, I found these in Sam's Club, and I decided to give these a try. If they don't work well for me, I will just go ahead on and get my pills from hsn.com, and because I know those work well for me. But I'm gonna go ahead and try these. It's 216, and you know, you can take them. I usually take 3 a day, a night, except Fridays, and I don't take another one until Sunday. But I'm telling you guys, if I don't take these pills, I will be up until 2-3 o'clock in the morning. That's how crazy it is. So, and before anybody is in the comments like, oh my God, you take all those pills, they're safe. They're very natural vitamins. I take a lot of vitamins from hsn.com, and everything that I take is very natural, and I don't have any issues with them. So yes, so I did get 2 more things. I got some vegetables that are in the freezer already because they won't go bad, but yeah, they still need to be frozen. So I put those in my husband put them in the freezer already. So other than that, this is my small haul that I got. I'm so sorry for the background noise. My husband is watching football. So if you're new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Tamika, and I am a wife, a mom of 3. I have 2 bonus daughters, and my husband and I have 1 son together who is 12. We recently moved from Florida to North Carolina in May, and we are now just working through moving to a new state and learning new things about the state that we live in, the city, etc. Getting acclimated to the weather, especially as I'm recording this now, or I'm sorry, as I'm doing this voiceover now in December, it's it's nice, but it's chilly outside. You know, we started off this morning with 29-degree weather, and right now I think we're in the 60s. So, but yes, my channel is a lifestyle channel. I do everything from budgeting, hauls, and cleaning videos. So please make sure that you like, comment, hit subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any of my uploads. Hey y'all, so I'm back and I finished putting up all the groceries that you're gonna see me put up in this video. And so what's gonna happen now is I'm gonna go ahead and do some YouTube magic, and you're gonna start seeing me clean up. I wish you guys could know exactly what I had on my SD card. I have so many videos that I found where I was recording videos here and there because I had all these ideas in my head of what I wanted to record, what I wanted to show you all, and they just didn't seem to come out right. And I think it was more so a mind game that I was playing on myself because I felt like the videos were not quality because they were not filmed on my camera. The next video that you're gonna see pop up on this this video upload, or however you want to call it, for the several videos you're going to see all in this one video, is going to be me showing you a haul of stuff that I videoed from Michael's and Hobby Lobby. And those things actually was actually videoed, recorded on my iPad, and when I was looking at it, it actually came out pretty good, but I felt in my heart it wasn't good quality. I don't know. So I'm showing you all just all of the stuff that I had, and going forward, you know, I'm not going to be just not posting videos because I feel like they're not good quality. I'm gonna go through it and see what I have, and maybe attempt to re-record something. But I'm always cleaning my house. I'm always buying stuff. There's so many hauls I can do, so many things I can show you guys, all my budget and stuff. I'm just, in all fairness, it's laziness and it's a willingness to do it. So my attitude is to change my mindset in 2022 and get it done and film it and see how it goes. You can see that camera right on my counter where I was filming with that camera, and I just felt like it just wasn't working. And that particular camera is a good camera, but it cuts off after so long. I think after 30 minutes it keeps cutting off, and I kept losing footage because it kept cutting off on me. So that's something else I'm gonna have to try to work out, but just keep on watching and let's see how it goes. right, so thank you so much for watching. This video is actually about to end here. I just wanted to give you a little bit of cleaning motivation along with the haul. Again, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.